Kristen Zako here, All in Adventures. We are hiking Table Mountain in Cape Town, South Africa. Up behind me there's Lion's Head, the beautiful ocean, and the city of Cape Town. The views are spectacular, the weather is amazing, and we are halfway up this mountain. I'm going to try to swing you guys around here so you can see up. That's our destination. I don't know if you guys can see the cable car. Oh my god. So, snacks I've prepared for myself today. I bought some beef sticks, some trail mix with dried cherries and cashews and almonds and some raisins, and our guide, Edgar, is preparing a nice little snack for us over there on Breakfast Rack. And we're going to hydrate ourselves, and I'm going to check my sugar, make sure everything is a go, and continue up. I must say this is the hardest hike I've ever done. What did you say this trail is called?
India.
India.
That means window.
Oh, okay. So apparently this is the more difficult hike, which I'd have to agree with him, because we were climbing. I mean, if you're looking, you can see that's the trail right there, and it's all rock climbing. Not with any gear or anything, but super intense. Hardest thing, I thought Camelback Mountain was hard in Scottsdale, Arizona. This definitely takes the cake. It's way steeper and super intense. And really mindset with this one, telling yourself one step at a time, making sure you're using your hands, your feet are sure-footed, and other than that, I mean, it's absolutely spectacular, and I highly recommend it. So just wanted to shout out, and you guys will catch me at the top. Out there, when your husband tells you check your sugar.
Check your sugar.
I felt fine, and I feel fine. My sugar's 90, but
I know you enough for.
I'm overexerting, so I'm chewing up. I'm burning up a ton of blood sugar. So it's important to constantly replenish with dried fruit or whatever you have to keep you stabilized, so you don't bottom out on a situation like this.
Should
never in a million years thought I would be able to accomplish anything like this. And I could do hard things, and I can make it happen. So I will keep to the top, no matter what it takes.
Super.